Hi, I'm Nicole and I'm reporting for AUSD today. There is something that every Arcadia student has, Chromebooks. But who repairs and takes care of these devices? In the library, behind the bookshelves, you can find Tech Aides.
The Tech Aide's duties range from removing e-waste to changing out toners for classrooms, but their main focus is repairing Chromebooks.
Day-to-day, it's mostly like taking apart Chromebooks and trying to diagnose problems with it and fixing Chromebooks that are turned in with different issues.
Oh, they've only made things easier for us in terms, like I mentioned, having enough devices, whereas in the past, some days we would have 25 to 30 students come in with Chromebook issues. There's a procedure and a process to that, and that has been cut in half because we have this extra support.
We tend to wait till as late as possible to turn it in when it's really, really damaged, and it's very hard to fix it.
Like Kurt said, don't wait until the last minute when it's too late to fix. Alexis, for example, has been working on a single Chromebook for 3 weeks.
It was reported as a display problem, but I kept testing display-related components, and it ended up being the motherboard itself that was the issue. So we scrapped that, and I'm planning to replace that. And hopefully, by the end of today, I can get that running.
Many of the Chromebook repairs require weeks of trial and error, but some require a single repetitive task. The last project the Tech Aides worked on was taking stickers off of 100 Chromebooks.
Don't put stickers on your Chromebooks. Treat it like a book. Don't put your stickers on it.
We encourage students best practices in terms of taking care of it, using the case, keeping it charged, coming to the library if there are any issues. We always thought that the idea of students helping other students would be awesome. And it's a win-win situation because not only are we supporting students and staff in the campus with this Chromebook service through the Tech TAs, but also the Tech TAs are gaining really valuable life experience.
I've always been interested in engineering and design, and I've never really been able to look at computer engineering. So I was hoping to get more experience in hardware, software.
AHS and TIS have been planning this for about 5 years now. We had programs running back in 2017 for middle schoolers and high schoolers, but then COVID halted all of that for a few years. So last year we had 1 student, and this year we managed to upgrade our needs to 10 students and 5 full classes.
It's been amazing to be able to ask one of the Tech TAs, one of the students for help. It enables us, it frees us up to do other things in the library that maybe we didn't have time for, in the past.
And we have one last message from our Tech Aides.
Please don't ever put stickers on your Chromebooks.